Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm attempting RRB Officer Scale 1 Mains Full Length Mock Testing Textbook app. So this is in the section of 2022 test series. So this video about many of the candidates asking about mains full length mock test video. It means how I am solving mains puzzles and questions in quant and reasoning section. So that's why I'm uploading in two videos. First video is reasoning and second is quant. Okay. So first select the long ways and ready to begin. So today I'm uploading reasoning section. So given syllogism, some pen are blue and only few blue or red and only few red are black. So all red being blue, possibility it's true, and some black is blue, that means it's inversion. No black is blue is a possibility, it's false. Again 1 and 2 follows, and some pen which is blue is not red. So this is, so all three follows. Let's see. So we are given 1 and 2 only. So we will check third conclusion. Some pen which is blue is not red, so this is false. So that's why 1 and 2 follows. Next, some vampires are cool. All cool are demons. No demon is sweet. Some cool are not sweet, as it's true. And all vampires being sweet is possibility. It's false because some vampires are cools and some vampires are not demons. So this is also true. So 1 and 3 follows, option C. Next, so these are mains level syllogisms, so that's why a little bit moderate. Some rounds are not rounds, some rounds are not oval, some square are not oval, some square. Some rounds are definitely oval. So here some rounds are definitely oval. All rounds being oval is a possibility. Yes, it's true. And some oval are not square. Some oval are not square. Okay. Next, all oval being round as well as square is a possibility. So as per my view, I think it's only 1 follows. Next, given 10 people, ABCDFGHIJ, company of 3 different dates, months: January 31st, February 28th, March 31st, June 30, July 31st. So here 13, 26, 13, 26, 13, 26, 13, 26, 13, 26. Okay. A and J joined the company in the same month, but A did not think even date. Okay. So here A and J joined the company in the same month, and A did not the even date. So that's why A is 13th. D joined the company 2 years after C. So the difference between A and J is same as difference between J and F. That is 3 years. D is the company 26th March. Okay. And 3 years before E. Next, D joined one of the months before C. I joined the company here less than 30 days. So here I is in 2 possibilities. So that is 13 and this is 26. Next, and I is 24 years earlier than 2020. So we'll subtract. So here this is 1996 I. Okay. Next, G joined in the company same month of B. So that is March, and 23 years before F. Okay. Next, F is even date of last month. So F is this year. Next. Next one, E is joined 13 months and has less than 30 days. So this is E. Okay. But not in February. So this is June. Next, and 4 years after I. So it's 1990. Next, H joined. Here A and J joined in same month. So but A is A. Next, so this one also A and G. Okay. Next, H joined 5 years after G in the month of June. So H joined 5 years after G. So this is S, this is X plus 1. Next, Difference between the joining year of A and I is prime. Next, so we will fill two places in two possibilities. D company 2 years after C. C who joined 13 years before B. Joining the company 13 years before B. Difference between joining years A and J is same as F and G. D joined in the one of the months before C and H. So this is not because D is in odd date. So this is place of C. Okay. So next we will find out the years. So this possibility fails because J is not in odd date, but here 13 is only possible. So that's why first possibility fails. Next we will go to the finding the years. So overall 10%, not before 18, depends 1984, 1985, 1986, and also remaining values up to 2018. So here D joined the company 2 years after C. So D joined the company 2 years after C, but suppose this is y plus 2. Next, C who joined 13 years before B. Before B means y minus 13 years, so y plus 13, B value. Next, difference of joining years A and G is same as the G and F. It means 3 years, A and G and F. These three has 3 years difference. B is 3 years before E. So it means 1987. Okay, 1987. 3 subtract. So 13. So here C who joined the company 13 years before B. So B is before B, it means minus 13 plus 13 is B. Okay, next. So in which year G's company? So here given G's company is the same month of year and 24 years. Next, I is in the company month have less than 30 years and 24 year earlier than 2020. So 2020, 24 is 6. So 1996 is I, and he joined 13th month at less than better, but not in February, 4 years after I. Sorry, it's 2000 means 2000. Next, which is 5 years after G. Okay. Next, D joined in the one of the months before B, and also D joined 2 years after C. C who joined 13 years before B. So it means this is y plus 13. Okay, 13 years before B. So here so B 26 months, 3 years before E. 3 years before means 1997, I think. Yes. Yes, 1997, and again C is 13 years before B. So it's 1984 C, and 1986 is D. And next, what was the company of G? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next value, we find out D joined the company 2 years after C. It's 1986. C is 13 years means 1984. And difference between A and G is same as D and F. B is 26 years before E. And D company one of the months before C, and H is odd. I joined in the company. So next one, 6% of different weight. A is heavier than R but not the heaviest, and R is heavier than S, V is lighter than S, W is heavier than S but lighter than R. Overall 6. So this is, I think, R, S, T, U. Okay. So how many persons taller than T? 1. And next statement 2, S, V lighter than W. Only 2 persons are lighter than W. W and R lighter than T. U is heaviest. So in both the cases, so we find out the answer. That's why either 1 or 2, option B. Next question. K is the daughter of M. M is the husband of J. J related to V. So here in first statement V is only daughter of K. So J related to V, it means grandmother, and V is the sister of M. statement and statement 2, there are two ways to answer this question. Okay, so V is only daughter of K. In statement, in this case J is related to V, its grandmother, and V is, if V is sister of him, in case J is related to his sister-in-law. So I think it's either 1 or 2. Next question, in code language these data create more dilemma, and in second statement more dilemma common in 1 and 2, so that is MJS and IMD is more and dilemma. We will find the more dilemma of both. We will need both 1 and 2, so that's why option D. Next question. So 8 persons facing inside the center. So A is third to the right of C, and B is opposite to the C. S is third to the right of B. Okay. So B is opposite to A, it's S. And next, using this, Q is second to the right of A, and S is fourth from the left of A. Okay. Q is second from the right of A. So as per mine, only 1 is sufficient. Next, a trial race of 7 conducted annual marathon event, 7 people in a 2-quadrupler race. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, overall 7. As I finished the race before Manisha, at least 5 people after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, Sumit. So we have two possibilities for Sumit, first and second position. Dia finished the race at either third or sixth position. 4 people after Kunal. Okay, next. So suppose this is Kunal. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 people after Kunal but before Anu. And again this is 4 people after Kunal. 1, 2, 3. So this is not possible because after Kunal 4 people before Anu also. So that's why Anu is in last. So we are clearly say that Anu did not come at last. So this possibility follows. And Dia at third and sixth position. So Dia in third because sixth is already Anu. At least 5 people finished race before them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then what was the third position is Dia, option D. Next, how many people finished the race before Dev and after Dia? So 3 persons, option D. Next, what is the fifth position? So here Ajay before Manisha. So here fifth position is Manisha, option B. Next, so next questions. So here T is mother-in-law of K. So first option. So A is the husband of T, and A is the brother of S. K. So this is false. And next, T is the daughter of A is the brother of S, and K is the husband of S. So this again false. Next, T percentage T is the mother of A is the brother of S, and K is the husband of S. So here T is mother-in-law of K, it's true, option C. Next question, A percentage of B. So A is the mother of B, and B slash it means C is the husband of B. Next, C at the rate of T. C is the brother of B. B dollar of E means T is the daughter of. So here then C is son, option D. Next question, P at the rate of A. P is the brother of A, and A is the daughter of R. R is the brother of T. T is the mother of Y. Okay. Next, here T related to P, aunt means paternal aunt. Next question. So 36x